In the mid-1960s, Queens, New York, was a city on edge. Break-ins were climbing, police response was slow, and people felt trapped in their own homes. But Marie Van Brittan Brown, a black nurse, refused to live in fear. She didn't wait for someone else to solve the problem. She set out to engineer safety herself. Piece by piece, she built something the world had never seen: the first home security system. A sliding camera that captured different views of the doorway, a monitor inside so she could see every visitor, an intercom that let her speak without opening the door, and most importantly, a button that could call the police instantly if danger was near. This was 1966. Long before video doorbells, before smart homes, before high-tech surveillance, Marie was already designing the blueprint. Her invention became the foundation for modern security systems across the globe. Today, every time someone checks a camera feed, answers through a video doorbell, or feels safer because of home surveillance, they are standing on the shoulders of Marie Van Brittan Brown. She didn't just protect her family. She redefined what safety looks like for all of us.